Hey guys, Jared here with Beyond Property Media. I think we're due for another company update video. So we've had an amazing spring and summer is upon us. It is now the beginning of June. Just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's supported us, who's given us an opportunity to work for them. This last couple months, we've been smashing our records year over year. Let's go back to April. We already were crushing our biggest month of last year, which was June. And then last month, May, we finished out the month with a total of 108 property photo shoot orders coming through. So an incredible, busy month. And we've had a lot of progress made, a lot of new accomplishments for the company, and a lot of awesome things that I don't think we've had time to really share with you guys. So I just wanted to touch base on some of that real quick. So number one, Ella's been out shooting. She's doing fantastic working for us and taking care of all of you guys. Number two, we have 2 additional photographers that are currently being trained. We have Gina and we have Ethan that are being trained. So you guys will get to start seeing them out on the road within about 2 to 3 weeks. They will be finishing their training with me. So we're really excited for that, really excited to bring in some more people so that we have more availability for all of you guys. So really excited for that. And then another part of this that I don't think you guys get to really see very much of, you know, last year and even at the beginning of this year, it was really just me and Maria, my wife. For those of you who don't know, Maria, who answers the phones, is my wife. That we've started hiring a lot of people, not just our photography team. We actually have several other people that have joined our team. So we have Joanne taking care of social media posting. We have Charles and Josh, who are taking care of our in-house video editing team. And we have John Ray, who's handling our QC and a little bit of photo editing. So all together, we have about 8 of us on a team now. And what that really means for you guys is that you're getting a faster response time on all of your requests. We have more availability, more ways to help all of you. I think some of you have probably noticed that now we're able to take care of revision requests and changes to videos and to photo services. You know, when I was a solo operator doing everything by myself, if I delivered videos first thing in the morning and then I headed out to go do appointments, it was really difficult for me to get any sort of like change requests or any alterations that needed to be made to photos or video content, because I would have to wait till I got home, or I'd have to bring a laptop on the road with me. And even so, it meant that I was interrupting the current appointment I was on. It was unfair to my clients to really take time away from them and being focused on the job that I'm currently at. So now we have a really robust team that's able to handle a lot of those challenges and a lot of those requests for you. So I'm already seeing it where we're getting we're delivering stuff first thing in the morning. You guys have time to review the media that we've delivered, and then you ask for, a simple change, a slight typo in an address, or you don't want to see a certain angle of a certain room, so we replace it with a different clip. We're able to do those changes within sometimes an hour or 30 minutes even, depending on the complexity of it. It's pretty awesome that we're in this position now. So that's just part of our mission, to be able to provide a high level of service and just overall more coverage to be able to take care of you guys. So alongside with our team growing, the next thing I wanted to touch base on is I have added some new packages to our short-term rental photography services. So we're trying to do a lot more like video heavy content, trying to provide a lot more options that give you guys a lot more material, more marketing material, more content, just more to work with. So if you take a look at our shopping cart, you'll see there's 3 new packages at the top. I'm going to put some fancy pictures on top of those so they're a little more noticeable, but we do have those packages. If you're curious about what we charge for any of our services, feel free to send me a message. I'm happy to send over our pricing sheet. So that's really all I have for you right now. I just want to say again, big thank you to everyone. We are currently in the process of hiring an additional photo editor, as well as another full-time photographer. So things are going really well. We're definitely on a upward trend this year. It's amazing, and I'm really thankful that we're able to continue to build these opportunities, not just for us, but for everyone. So there's a lot more people involved behind the scenes, and we're gonna start trying to showcase more of that so you guys get to meet everyone that we're bringing onto this team. So again, thank you guys. Let's have an amazing summer. So take care.